The incident yesterday where the Chief Minister refused to meet the people who had come to meet him, who were enraged with the hill cutting that is being done by Bhutani at Sancoale in South Goa. The Chief Minister's refusal to meet them but attend a program that was sponsored by this hill cutting builder company is shocking. On one hand, the same Chief Minister has assured on the floor of the House that he'll have a detailed inquiry into this project, because this project is coming up on a hill with a very steep slope, where to reach the top of the hill itself you will have to cut the hill. And the way the landslides are happening, even yesterday a landslide has been telecast in the social media and the mainstream media about a landslide in Uttarakhand. And this has basically alerted the socio-politically conscious and environmentally conscious people of South Goa who want answers as to how such a project can come up there. Then there are more irregularities which have come out. That the builder proposes to build in a property which is not even owned by him. The entire property is not owned by him. There are areas which are owned by some other people. Yet there has been a kabza party which is happening in Goa, which is land grab happening in Goa. When all these irregularities are there and people want answers, the Chief Minister refuses to meet the people. See, the Chief Minister should understand that he is a Chief Minister, maybe elected by the MLAs, some MLAs whom he has lifted from the opposition. But that doesn't mean that he should forget that these MLAs are elected by the people. So he has to be first accountable to the people, not to this hill cutting builders association. He should not behave like the Chief Executive Officer, CEO of the hill cutting business lobby, builders lobby, which has come into Goa. So I think the Chief Minister should remember that he has given an assembly assurance which he is now neglecting. There is no action being taken on this Bhutani project. Secondly, there are new irregularities which have come out, yet there is no action. The town planning minister has to act on this. It should not become like that the entire cabinet of Goa is like a brokerage for these unscrupulous builders who have come from, especially from north of India. So, and the Chief Minister's office cannot become a one-window clearance for the land mafia. This impression that is now gaining ground, the Chief Minister has to discourage this impression by action. He has to take action. He cannot be seen to be supporting a building company which is come with a USP of only cutting the hills of Goa. This hill cutting, the wanton hill destruction of the environment, especially due to hill cutting, is now very huge in Goa, and it has to be stopped. And if the Chief Minister ignores this, I think he is forcing the people to come on the street. He has to understand that even Suresh Prabhu, former minister, who attended the same function, gave a message outside that Goa's carrying capacity has to be checked. How much can Goa have? And projects which are coming in villages have to have the consent of the people. At least there should be awareness amongst the people as to what is going to come here. Just somebody comes and makes an announcement saying that I am going to give employment will not do. This is a very socio-politically conscious, alert and intelligent electorate of Goa. They will not allow such wanton destruction of the hills. People will come out and the Chief Minister will learn a lesson the hard way. Before that, he has to, I think, act and stop this wanton hill destruction, stop these projects immediately.